Hello, welcome to the X. Space, the infinite expanse, the final frontier, has captivated us for eons, and today we're taking a leap into the cosmos with the Galactic 02 flight. This boundless abyss has always piqued our curiosity, pulling us into its celestial embrace. The importance of space exploration is undeniable, as it unravels the mysteries of our universe and pushes the boundaries of human potential. The Galactic 02 flight marks a significant page in this ongoing saga of discovery. With that said, let's dive into the journey of Galactic 02. The journey of Galactic 02 begins long before the actual flight, with meticulous planning and rigorous training. The cornerstone of any space mission, the pre-launch phase, is where the magic truly begins. It's a symphony of science, technology, and human perseverance. The crew members, our brave pioneers, undergo intensive training regimes, honing their physical and mental prowess to withstand the rigors of space travel. Parallel to this, an army of engineers, scientists, and technicians labor over the spacecraft and its equipment. They test and retest, ensuring every component, every system operates flawlessly under extreme conditions. Nothing is left to chance. The final act is a thorough check of the spacecraft, a series of precise protocols designed to spot any potential issues. It's a moment of tension, anticipation, and excitement. Only when every single element is verified and validated can the mission truly proceed. With all systems go, the countdown to the launch of Galactic 02 begins. The moment of truth arrives. The engines roar to life, the ground shakes, and Galactic 02 lifts off, soaring into the sky. A tower of flame and smoke, a symbol of human aspiration, propels this marvel of engineering toward the stars. As Galactic 02 ascends, it cuts through the Earth's atmosphere, a blue and green tapestry rapidly receding beneath it. The air grows thinner. The sky transforms from blue to black. We are leaving the cradle of humanity, venturing into the void. The first stage of the rocket, its job done, separates. An echo of the old adage, what goes up must come down as it falls back to Earth. Meanwhile, Galactic 02, now lighter, pushes on. The second stage ignites, a fresh surge of power propelling the spacecraft further, faster. Finally, Galactic 02 separates from the second stage. It's alone now, a solitary traveler against the backdrop of the cosmos. The engines fall silent. We are in orbit. The Earth, our home, is a beautiful blue marble suspended in the inky blackness of space. A sight few have seen, yet one that belongs to all of us. In this moment, we are not merely observers, but participants in a grand cosmic ballet. The journey, however, is far from over. As Galactic 02 enters orbit, the crew prepares for the next phase of their mission. In orbit, the crew of Galactic 02 experiences the breathtaking view of Earth and the weightlessness of space. Imagine a sight so captivating that it leaves you speechless. Your home planet appearing as a radiant blue marble against the infinite black canvas of the cosmos. This is the spectacle that greets the crew daily, a constant reminder of the beauty and fragility of our world. In this zero-gravity environment, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Eating, sleeping, and even moving around require a whole new level of skill and adaptation. Amid these daily marvels, the crew is hard at work, conducting cutting-edge experiments that could not be performed under the confines of Earth's gravity. These experiments, ranging from biology to physics, promise to unlock new scientific understandings and technological advancements. Observing Earth from this unique vantage point provides invaluable data for climate research, geographical studies, and even disaster management. The crew members, becoming temporary custodians of our planet's well-being, are offered a perspective that few have had the privilege to witness. As their mission concludes, the journey back home begins. The spacecraft undergoes the fiery challenge of re-entry, protected by its heat shield. As it descends through the atmosphere, it's slowed down by the drag until finally parachutes deploy, allowing for a gentle landing back on Earth's surface. With a successful landing, the historic journey of Galactic 02 concludes. This extraordinary adventure, far beyond the confines of our atmosphere, opens up a new chapter in human space exploration. The Galactic 02 flight represents a significant milestone in space exploration. This adventure has not only expanded our knowledge of the cosmos, but has also pushed the boundaries of human capability. Galactic 02's successful journey and return have laid a robust foundation for future missions, fueling our relentless pursuit of the unknown. The legacy of Galactic 02 inspires us to imagine a future where interstellar travel is commonplace. As we continue to reach for the stars, the journey of Galactic 02 reminds us of the boundless possibilities that space exploration holds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.